always look for bright spots. As a minister, you always look for someone who is as passionate about the sector that you serve. As a minister, you always look out, especially for those colleagues who are willing to take that extra step, go that extra mile, to complement what you are trying to do at a national level and scale it up at the state level. And I think that I have found that person in Mr. K.T.R. Rao, your Minister for Telangana. Since yesterday I have observed him, he has not let one opportunity go to engage with CEOs from across the country and across the world. He has not lost one opportunity to present strongly the potential of Telangana. In fact, the very fact that we have Mr. Sung sitting here, every time Mr. Rao spoke, all I got from Mr. Sung was unbelievable. I have not seen such passion for my segment anywhere in the world. I would also compliment you, Mr. Rao, for the TSI pass that you have described for this audience today. The fact that governments now trust industry to follow the law of the land, the fact that now governments reward those who are compliant is also very well defined with the presentation that the Honorable Minister made today. The fact that one of the biggest challenges that the industry faces, one about procurement or definition of a particular piece of land, second about clearances, third about after clearances how to operationalize quickly, is something that was very, very well articulated by you, Honorable Minister. And I think his desire to have an additional special textile commissioner for Telangana just shows you how ambitious he is, so much so that Kavita now looks very greedily at the state of Telangana and might forgo her office for the government of India. I say this in jest, but I say it with pride. I think that the potential of Telangana is very well defined in the policy that the minister has showcased today. And I invite you, the world, to explore the possibilities in Telangana. I assure on the Government of India's behalf that any support needed to expand manufacturing in Telangana is a support that we unitedly will extend under the leadership of our dynamic Prime Minister, Narendra Bhai Modi. Once again, Minister, my congratulations to you and your entire team and the government for doing a stupendous work in the field of textiles. And may you go from strength to strength. Mr. Sung, who is seated with you today, I'm not letting his hand. Don't let him go. Ladies and gentlemen, my best wishes to all of you, and I hope that the presentation of the minister is enticing enough for all of you to come and invest for textiles in Telangana. Congratulations.